Hey guys, welcome here back to a brand new video here on my channel. Today I have a different type of video once again on my channel. Usually I don't do this type of videos on my main channel. I only have a main channel. I hope you guys still will enjoy this video. And this time thanks to Tonor actually making this video possible, and thanks for sponsoring this type of video. So this is kind of a sponsored video. Like my first ever sponsored video. Actually, you also see my setup right behind me. So if in case you are interested in seeing how my setup looks like, and an updated tour of what I have, because I have added a bunch of cool stuff to my setup. So let me know if you guys would like to see an updated setup tour of 2020 maybe, and maybe I'll make it happen. Like for my audio, I'm using Tonor EM700 to record my voice for like YouTube videos and stuff. I got this once like 2 years ago together with this mic arm, and honestly it's good, but with the 2 years there's quite a few issues that I have now with this mic arm stand, and that's really awesome to know that Tonor is now taking care of it and sending me an update. So I think Tonor did listen to their community, and I think they decided to upgrade the things that were an issue for most people. It is working, so I would say, like, if I want to have it in front of me, or like up or down or rotated around the desk, that's all possible. I got it together with the mic arm stand. It is right here. Also some pop-up filters like this one and the other one that I have somewhere. I actually decided to kind of pull up my pop filter out again. So this is what also I got with the mic itself. So you see it is kind of weird, and it's also having a dent, and you can see how used it is because of how many times I tried to bring it on it. I was really sad about that, so I didn't use the pop filter from that time anymore. Something I also really don't like about this is now that how used it is. You see also the scratches here. These are scratches of the mic hitting like actually this object or part. Another negative point is, please don't mind the cables in the background. They are like, yeah, I try to hide them as best as possible. I have to say I've been using this for like 2 years now, but you see whenever you try to attach it to the desk, how rotated this angle is. It kind of looks weird. Yeah, I gotta say I'm really looking forward to see how the updated one looks like. So let's get right into it. So here's the box, it's Tonor. On the package you can already see there's a mount clamp, which is updated, which they have improved. I'm really looking forward for that. And the arm stand actually, as well the pop filter. So I have 2 of them now, as well a mic clip to clip the mics. And this also works for other microphones as well. If you don't have a Tonor mic, that's no issue. You can use it also for Blue Yetis, for example. I gotta say the packaging really looks good. It's the T20 Studio Boom Arm, and there's also a manual for the mic itself. I didn't know that. Of course, if you have a nice look at this, you have different languages. As well, you have easy kind of instructions on how to mount it. And it seems easy. I gotta say it looks easy, and yeah, I see it kind of looks, it's heavier. I definitely feel that it's heavier. It's still got the same, yeah, I don't know why they have this kind of tilted holder, honestly. Alright, so here is one of the first parts, is the claw. So here we go. This is a totally different claw than the first one. So they totally redesigned this setup. You see it is looking a lot more robust and more stronger and heavier, and like if you put them side by side, you see this one and this one. So this is a massive improvement right here. It has also this nice logo on top of it with Tonor, with a few turns only. This is already feeling really strong. So the next part is actually the claw, like the holder for the microphone. Yeah, I have to still try it on. I don't really know how it is. So this is the mic arm itself. It is a lot heavier. I'm going to place it on the holder so to see how it is. So I'll see you back in a second. The holder that I got with the microphone is not really holding my microphone, but I'm scared that my mic falls out. Currently it is holding it, but it's easy to push it out, so I can just take it out. So like you can see here, okay, I'm scared to drop it. And there's the holder getting back to its normal position. I'm still happy that I have this one from the first product, so it came along with the mic that I bought. So I can also just attach this one here in order to get my BM700 onto the mic arm stand. At this point, this is how the microphone looks like, and with the mic arm, it looks a lot bigger than compared to the first one I have. So you can see side by side, but this one looks more like stronger and it's a little bit heavier as well. It's in fine. You see, it's a lot better to rotate and you don't move the claw at all. So if I would move this mic arm, you would see how, yeah, it's the cable is not moving all along well. I gotta say it's done, like it does his job, but with 2 years it just got used a little bit. But overall I have to say having this upgrade is a lot more better. You can also go really back with this mic here, so something like here as well, but you see that's the angle where it stops going back from that point. You cannot go more back, but with this one you can. I'm pretty happy with how solid this works. Like I can even rotate it and it just still moves. This is incredible, and it doesn't do a sound like this one does sometimes. Look at that, look at this. Oh, I was scared to hit my computer for a second. There we go. But it does move. This is really smooth. I'm happy. You can pull it up like that too, and as you can see, you don't really do anything down here, and the idea that this is being stuck into like a hole right there is great as well. When with the claw you can actually take out a headset. Got a crouch here. There we go. So this is the headset, and in case you want to have it like that, you can just plug it perfectly in there. I have this kind of cable one. I'm looking forward to get a Bluetooth one, but overall this is such a great opportunity to also hang something on it, and compared to this little thing here, it's really good. So this one, I don't really particularly say it's bad, but if you can get this one, I'd say yes, go for this one. I never changed because it did its job, and 2 years now I'm been using it. You see how bad of a damage it does have right now. So this one is now finally being replaced with the really good one here from Tonor. Overall, easier to build, it does its job. It's pretty nice, it looks a lot better than the first one. I'm happy with the result.